this video I am going to explain you chapter 1, electric charge and electric field. Chapter 1 and chapter 2 of class 12 are related with electrostatic, the branch of physics. Electro plus static. From electro, electric charge, static means stationary. So the branch of physics in which phenomena, physical quantity and device related with stationary charge are explained is known as electrostatic. Now you know that state of matter are three: solid, liquid and gas. Consider liquid from water. Water is made up of H2O molecules. Further, H2O molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Now atom. Constituent particle of atom are 3: electron, proton and neutron. Electron possesses negative charge, proton possesses positive charge, having same value 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and neutron is electrically neutral. Now you have little idea about the structure of atom. Consider the shape of atom is sphere. Then smaller central region containing proton and neutron inside the atom is known as nucleus, and electron revolve around it. Now particle proton act electric force on particle electron. So intrinsic property of particle due to which it act electric force on other particle is known as electric charge. Symbolic letter of electric charge are capital Q, small q and small e. When value of charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, then it is denoted by small e. Now electron possesses negative charge, proton possesses positive charge. So type of charge are 2 positive charge and negative charge. Now 2 positive charge or 2 negative charge repel each other. We can say that 2 unlike or equal charge repel each other. Now one negative charge and another is positive charge attract each other. So it is said that 2 unlike or opposite charge attract each other. Now electroscope, the simple device which detect electric charge on the body. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. It is denoted by capital C. Other unit is ampere second, which is derived from equation Q equal to IT, which you will learn in chapter 3. Now dimensional formula. For dimensional formula, you can derive it from Q equal to IT. M0, L0, T1, A1. In CGS system, SI unit, system, unit of electric charge is state coulomb or ESU, electrostatic unit. It is also known as Franklin. 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 raised to 9 ESU. Now largest unit of electric charge is Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96,500. Now atom of all elements are electrically neutral. It means there are number of proton and number of electrons are equal, so net charge is 0. Consider carbon atom. So atomic number of carbon is 6. So there are 6 protons inside the nucleus and 6 electrons revolved around it. So net charge is 0. Then we can say that carbon atom is electrically neutral. Now electrons slightly bound inside the atom compared to proton. So whenever exchange of electric charge take place between two bodies, only electron transfer from one body to another body. The body which lose electron becomes positive charge and its mass decreases, and the body which gain electrons become negative charge and its mass increases. Now in next topic I will explain you property of electric charge or characteristic of electric charge. Out of them, one is quantization of electric charge. Now what do you mean by quantization of electric charge? So the magnitude of electric charge of the body found in nature is equal to the integral multiple of fundamental charge. Suppose the charge on the body, say Q, capital Q, then value of Q is equal to N into E, where N equal to 1, 2, 3, E equal to fundamental charge or primary charge, and its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So magnitude of electric charge found in nature is Q is integral multiple of fundamental charge E. Integral multiple means 1, 2, 3 multiplied. Now Q equal to NE. In this Q equal to NE, taking N equal to 1, then value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Taking N equal to 2, then value is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So in between these two numbers, the number lies is 2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. If I will say that charge on body is 2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, then I am not correct, because the number lies between these two numbers are never possessed by the charge. So the value of charge is not continue, it discrete. For example, Indian currency, 1 rupees note, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20. But between 2 and 5, 3, 4, between 5 and 10, 6, 7, 8, 9 type of rupees you cannot see. So this is known as discrete. So value of electric charge is discrete. So it is known as quantization of electric charge. Now we will calculate the charge on the body. Suppose I want to establish 1 coulomb positive charge on the body. 1 coulomb positive charge on body. So how many electrons can be taken out from the body so that it becomes 1 coulomb positive charge? So putting the value in equation Q equal to NE, here Q equal to 1 coulomb, and E equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, making subject N 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, 1 divided by 1.6, 0.625, 10 raised to minus 19 means plus 10, 19, 1 decimal shift, so 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. So number of electrons are 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. So if 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons are taken out from this body, then this body becomes 1 coulomb positive charge. Now the total charge of 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electron is equal to 1 coulomb negative charge. The total charge of 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 protons is equal to 1 coulomb positive charge. Now we will how to calculate the charge on nucleus. Suppose nitrogen atom. So nitrogen atom atomic number is 7. So what is the electric charge on the nucleus of the nitrogen atom? So in nitrogen atoms there are 7 protons inside the nucleus. So Q equal to 7 into E. 7 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So 11.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So this much charge possessed by nitrogen nucleus. Now sulfate ion. Calculate the electric charge on sulfate ion. So we should not worry about how many protons and electrons inside the sulfate, and there are 4 atoms of oxygen. So how many electrons and protons inside the atom of the oxygen? We should not worry. Here we have to see minus 2. Minus 2 indicate that sulfate ion gain 2 electron more, excess electron 2. So Q equal to 2 into E. So 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Minus indicating that there is an excess of electron by 2. So it is negative charge. So minus 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So charge on sulfate ion is minus 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Similarly, nitrate ion. Here it indicate -1. So charge on nitrate ion is -1 e, means minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So here how to calculate charge on body, and that equation is Q equal to Ne. So this is the important equation. From this we can calculate the charge on the body. And now proton and neutron are made up of quarks. So there are two type of quarks, up quarks and down quarks. Up quarks is indicated by small u, and its value is plus 2 by 3 e. E means here 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. And down quarks denoted by small d, and its value is minus 1 by 3 e. Now proton is made up of 3 quarks, 2 up quarks and 1 down quarks. So composition of proton is UUD. Now charge on proton is plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So we can verify it by putting the value of U and D plus 2 by 3E plus 2 by 3E plus minus 1 by 3E. So plus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into E. So it is 3 by 3 means 1E. So plus 1E means plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So that is the charge on proton. So proton is made up of 2 up quarks and 1 down quarks, and its composition is UUD. Similarly, composition of neutron is UDD. Now you know that neutron is electrically neutral. So putting value of U and D, it should be 0. So we will check it. Plus 2 by 3E plus minus 1 by 3E plus minus 1 by 3E. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 0 into E. So 0 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So 0. So 0 charge means no charge. So electrically neutral. So neutron is electrically neutral. Now single quark does not exist. Quarks are always exist in pair of 3. I have explained one property, quantization of electric charge. Now second property, charge is scalar quantity. Third property, additivity of charge. Additivity of charge means charge are added algebraically. To explain this fact, consider that on body there are 30 electron and 20 proton. So 30 electron, the charge of the 30 electron is minus 30e, charge of 20 proton is plus 20e. So algebraic sum minus 30 plus 20 minus 10e. So minus 10 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 plus 1 minus 18 coulomb. So charge on body is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb. So charge on body is negative. It doesn't mean that the charge does not possess proton. The number of the proton is less than the number of electron in this body. So charge is negative. If the number of proton is greater than the number of the electron in the body, then body possesses positive charge. Now charge is invariant. Fourth property, charge is invariant. Invariant means does not change. So value of charge of particle does not depend on the speed of the particle. To explain this fact, now consider that mass of the particle is m and the speed of the particle is v. Then the mass of the particle when it is in motion is m equal to m0 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. So here m0 is rest mass Rest mass means when particle is stationary, the mass of the particle is known as rest mass and it is denoted by m0. And c is the speed of light and its value is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So when particles is in motion, its mass is increases according to this equation, m equal to m0 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. But the value of the charge on particle does not depend on its speed. So here you see that the charge of the particle where charge is stationary or is in motion does not change, where mass of the particle when it's stationary then mass is m0, but when it is in motion then its mass is increased, and so the mass of the particle or body change with speed, but charge of the particle does not change, does not depend on its speed. Now, fifth property of electric charge, that is conservation of electric charge. There are four fundamental laws. First, the law of conservation of energy. Second, the law of conservation of linear momentum. Third, the law of conservation of angular momentum. And fourth one is the law of conservation of electric charge. Now, what is law of conservation of electric charge? So, if any irrespective process taking place in an electrically isolated system, net charge of the system remain constant. This statement is known as the law of conservation of electric charge. What do you mean by electrically isolated system? Electrically isolated system means such system in which charge neither enter into the system nor escape from the system, but chargeless thing can enter or release the system. Such system is known as electrically isolated system. To explain this fact, conservation of electric charge, consider here pair of glass rod and silk cloth. Initially, the net charge of the glass rod is 0, net charge on silk cloth is also 0. To specify this, consider there are plus 30 E positive charge, minus 30 E negative charge on glass rod, so net charge is 0. Similarly, here consider plus 25 E positive charge and minus 25 E negative charge on silk cloth, so net charge is 0. Now silk cloth, glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, then some electron transfer from glass rod to silk cloth. Consider that 5 electron transfer. So now here 5 is subtracted, so plus 30E minus 25E, so plus 5E charge. So now the charge on glass rod is plus 5E. E means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb into 5, so 8 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb positive charge deposited on glass rod. Similarly, negative charge also is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb deposited on silk cloth. Before rubbing process, the net charge of the system 0 plus 0, 0. After rubbing process, the net charge of the system plus 5E minus 5E is also 0. So in this process, charge is not created nor destroyed, but charge is transferred from one body to another body. Now to explain this fact, conservation of electric charge, here I have given three equations. First equation, 2 gamma photon means the two photons of gamma rays produce electron and positron. Now this positron is new for you. What is the positron? Positron is antiparticle of electron. Its mass and charge is same as that of the electron. So mass of the positron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, and charge on positron is also 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So here minus 1 plus 1, so net charge is 0. Left side, this is the electromagnetic waves, so net charge is also 0. So in this process, charge is similar before and after the process. Now second equation, 92 uranium 238. This is the radioactive element which produce alpha particle. Alpha particle is nothing but the nucleus of helium. Here 92 indicating atomic mass, atomic number means the number of protons. So it is related with charge. And 238 is indicating atomic mass, so related with mass. So in left side 92E positive charge, 90 plus 2, 92E positive charge. So in this process left side and right side charge is similar. Third process, neutron. Neutron produce one proton and electron. So in this process plus 1 minus 1, so 0, and you know that the neutron is electrically neutral. So there is no charge, zero charge. Now I have explained the conservation of electric charge. Now last property, charge is transferable. To explain this fact, consider here two spheres A and B having mass m1 and m2 and charge q1 and q2. Now these two spheres are brought in contact and separated. Then what happens? The charge after separation, the mass of the sphere A and mass of the sphere B remain same, but charge change. Charge on sphere A is become q1 dash and charge on sphere B becomes q2 dash. In this process, charge is transferred from one body to another body because the electric potential of these two spheres is not same. So charge is transferred from one body, means higher potential to lower potential. But in this process you see mass is not transferred. So it is fact that whenever two solid body brought in contact, charge is transferred from one body to another body, but mass never transfer. Thank you. If you want to see more video, please subscribe my channel One Touch Physics and tap bell icon. Thank you.